Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on exercise mode in mode and routines in our Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to look for this mode? So settings, then modes and routines, and here is our exercise mode. The mode is not set up, it's a default mode provided by our phone. So let's open it. Yes, let's start. So we can have our connection to our app if we have one. We can have during exercise, and we need our Samsung Health turn on, of course, but we can skip it for now. We have no health applications on this phone. Do we want do not disturb or not? Yes, we want. We can set up a few options here. Done. Next. What we want here, whatever we need. Let's say yes, and done, and done. And now our exercise mode is set up, more or less. We have a few more options that we can change here, and let's turn it on. And now our exercise mode is set up and now on. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.